Tu kyalla gushe dengere azini ke ara normal english de advanced maze hudun ara water sentence son gurde hadure live maze ekon time maze ejono jone besha bishi advanced better english lore advanced english lore bishi ki ore istemal gori hatalla boli advanced english in saiton hudu gile hadure ar pressure follow ujum ashar gujna okay ara sign lelo hokkan sai ai darsin silver siler tulim inshallah okay sign lele ate je beshi bul lagen gele kengro him I am very hungry at beshi bul lagge yana de hole advance mother I am starving at beshi bul lagge ar kan say I am very happy I beshi kushi I am very happy I beshi kushi I am about the month I beshi kushi I am about the month I beshi kushi about the month. Okay, next one number 3 matina say I am very tired I beshi tired gi I beshi ki oran gi goi dale ha hoy pariba I am excited I beshi ki oran excited excited mane hole jahona manchi go oran ho jong no asal number say I am very good I beshi bala no here advance mother sugole better english mother I am excellent I beshi bala. Okay, first number masai. Tu kyolla beshi gusto da. Why are you so angry? Tu kyolla angry beshi gusto da. The beshi gusto da hanola boli ar sentence mota be sonle. Why are you so pissed off? P-I-S-S-E-D Peace or F of peace. Why are you so pissed off? Tu kyolla hode. Ato beshi ki hode gusto da heno. Hadguni nore life mother songur horiba ar video share gujone. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for watching. See you next video.